Caesar Palace on the 28th floor in the Palace Tower in a premium king room. As soon as you walk in, there's a little entryway. There's a connecting room. Walk straight ahead. There's a little table here with the chair. Get ready in the morning, ice bucket. On the left, there is a closet. We have your ironing board, some shelves. Your safe is in here. There's no bar or anything over on this side. I guess you can put your luggage here. As you enter the room, it's pretty big for a hotel room. Lots of rooms spread out, move around. On the left-hand side, there's an okay-sized TV. Could be a little bigger for the size of the room and how far away you are. A little credenza type thing here with a mini bar of snacks on top. Don't move anything on this mini bar unless you plan on purchasing it, because it will charge you if you remove it. I think it's got a couple seconds, but I wouldn't chance it. In here, you have a couple drawers, and then on the left is your mini bar. There is no refrigerator for your own stuff. Mini bar, again, if you remove it, it will charge you for it. So be careful if you're looking at stuff. You have a desk with 2 chairs, lamp, Keurig coffee maker. I don't see any Keurig coffee pods here. I guess maybe in the mini bar you gotta buy them or bring your own. And there is an outlet here for your devices and an outlet on the lamp. There are no USB plugs or USB ports to charge, so you do need to bring an adapter, but there at least is an outlet right by the desk and then one on the lamp. The other side of the room, there's a nice little sitting chair with an ottoman and a table and a lamp if you want to read or relax. And then you have the king-size bed with 2 nightstands next to it. Each nightstand has a lamp on it, and the lamp does have an outlet on it, so you can charge something in here if you have an adapter to plug it in. And there's a little ottoman bench type thing at the end of the bed to sit on to get ready, put your shoes on. To the other end table, same as the one on the left, outlet on the lamp. There's a phone on each side of the bed, which is strange. I haven't seen that too often. One thing I didn't notice till later was that there's no clock in the room. So there's 2 phones and they both have the room number on them, so they are both for this room, but there is no clock, which is weird. I'm not sure if somebody took it or it broke. There's supposed to be one, but there is no clock in this room for some reason. In addition to the first closet I showed you, there is a second closet here. And this closet has a lot more storage space to hang things. It's got a robe, slippers. It's got even more over here. It's got a double rod system to hang stuff, and then a shelf up top. So really a lot of storage here. And it looks like these are made for shoes, these shelves where they have the slippers on. So the room itself is quite large. As I walk across it, a lot of empty space, a lot of space to move around. There's the view from the window area. So it's large by any normal hotel room standard, I would say. Switches over here for the curtains. So if you want to close them, just press it. You don't have to hold it. They'll close. So if you want to open them, press the up. You don't have to hold it. And then up top here, this is for the blackout curtains. Same thing. Top, you can open them. To the right of where you walk into the room is the bathroom. Walk into the bathroom, and to the right there's a separate shower. It's pretty nice. I mean, it looks like there's some maybe mildew or a little dirt on the floor. Not dirt, but maybe the grout is missing or a little dirty. Could be a little cleaner. But nice shower, nice tiles. Separate water closet for the toilet. There's a scale in here as well. Got a double vanity, which is nice if you're getting ready in the morning with somebody else. And you have your towels, hair dryer, extra roll of toilet paper. And then you have a pothique, I don't know how you say that, soap and lotion. And then over here, you have a huge tub. Looks like it's got some kind of jets down below. And then you have your bath gel soap. And then you also have a sponge that's wrapped up. South facing room, 28th floor. You're not really get a strip view from here. We're on the side, see the other towers. I mean, if you look, you can see Bali, you can see the top of the Eiffel Tower. And this is the view at night. If you want to see other Las Vegas room tours, click on the playlist at the end of this video right here, or other Las Vegas videos over here as well. Remember, like, share, subscribe, comment down below.